Yodo icio tuciguaga na thirikari
riria gwakinya uhoro wa kunyithia kugathaki
kukaza mshipi
yes
kaigua kogwetwo austerity measures mbere
yes
wambe umenye kwina ukunderi wa shekeri
yes kama ya thirikari he undu itatarie aitha ni bore kana ni huthirite mbeca uria taratanya
ni itangite.
And there's a time when His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was a Minister for Finance.
Yeah, they waziri wa finance miaka mithi yagu.
Yes. And he's actually the first minister with a trillion budget. Yes.
Ni hede ya ne thirikari ya the grand coalition.
Ya Moi Kibaki. Tutiaiguete budget ya tutiaiguete trillion.
Ona tutiambite tuka imagine trillion ni taki.
Yes. No, I don't know budget ya
trillion.
Yes. And on austerity measures, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, agiki director the tiari ndekithia, the VIPs, thirikari, they scaled down on their motor vehicle. Mathia na ngari ethi wa CC, tiari ngiri thatu.
No, 1800 cc.
1800.
Na wakaleta Passat.
Below 2000. Na ukireho Passat. A very fast, but then were very problematic vehicles and just ya kuama wa asiri makiama makinega na itirathi kinya rugongo well gari yo rugongo you know it's not an off-road car.
It's not an off-road machine.
Yes. Na mawasiri heads of parastato meda gari mage molest na irema
nikyo medaga gazlas
Prando. Yes. The oros austerity measure it worked against the whole cause. It they had very heavy repair costs. Yes.
But either way on eroguo but yet in medaga.
Yes.
So they had to look for an excuse.
Absolutely. So see me that growing up in the slopes the kwa ginya austerity measures at a domestic level.
Monsieur.
It was not communicated. You would only feel the ripple
effect.
Yes. You know, our financial standing. You would no one would explain that to you.
Who are you?
Who are you?
What contribution do you make?
Who did you elect your father?
Nigetha mwirate kuma riu nitukuhumuka kuria nyama kuria migate sukari wirwo nu
inye wa mukira rucini no mukaigua curu ni wa ndufia mukamenya austerity measures are in place
in force
mukaigua curu ucio ri kwina kwa ubali gacumbi
na ndora mari tu activist mecia nari yara mari na roho activism ni maigua go question authority no tondu ndungi question thoguo directly ukugora he maitoguo
you go through the ipoa
how niho amenyaga ni mani austerity measures maitoguo ambizoro ndore sukari
wako wena sukari ndu kunyue wakwa ito wakwa ri ndahirie wagia sukari riera-ini
thoguo ndari kindu
wamiona mboga icio itina cama maguta na mwaciekera waru wa maitĩka
ukuma guku thigwa itonga iyo thigwa itonga
kana uthiriri uthie kwa mbuthu ni mathinjaga weekend amiyo kiato thio ikiwa tata Jemima mukigiritio nu kwa utagicenjetie mucinyite bara
kai ngari thamite guku ithe ti uthio ikire ngari uthi
utakere fea ndike muretu abogorara ni mwene mutota kunyitithania
ni hande ni uhiki-ini ndi
ni guthura thoire pirau no, if you are half bright, you would know. You did not need to use your entire intellect.
You should read between the lines.
And you know that your father is broke.
Ukamanya there is financial turmoil.
Yes. And you will tell. No na aginya reu omwe wanyu. Ni anyitwo ne ka murimu atari serious. Ukona wa prescribe herbal remedy. Makaji ya kwa consultancy from the herbal experts around the J Boro. Mukona ahi go in yoru. Akahage ko ikombe kia mefuthi. Mukamya musio cio to reginya mbeca cia kandi dogo.
Ukamanya these are lean times.
You know. Mahita mao hagi. You would actually know, especially if your father was mtu ambaye hushiriki video. Ni wanaona ngoko na ena merieno.
Ili atari hutia johi.
And you very well know ona area yako juko tikori habu ate ni arabire.
Ungiona muthenya ucio ni mweri wa keri atari akunda.
Yes. Ukamenya ida handu.
Na nderiga kumagara.
Yes. Ukamenya ida handu eriga ututhurania kigino au akiananga. Kana handu akaiguo. Yes. Na ni mwamenya Austerity measures ciari tu hapio. Orocio ugiania torakinyira riu chuguo. Ukaigua watu mwo gwa chuguo mugire some relief. Watu mwo gwa chuguo mugire GOK.
Foreign aid.
Yes. Relief food. Because grandmothers for some reason used to have excess. Yes.
Na nemeigagira
Yes.
Ikombe ndeyagagia.
Yes. Okay, ori shogu igira kure ikombe utahe mikimbo eno.
Ina.
Uthi utheithie ha.
Uthie githei. Wa manje.
Ni wamenya riu. Ni wamenya Austerity measures are heavily in place.
Ni wamenya the family coffers are dry.
Yes. No, na no amenya to no aginya ndaitari wa ngombe ndwaru. Agoka kamirona. Ugacoka kamuna thabari ciga no na agicoka. Na tikurigita
ni kurandura.
And you would know because your consumption would shift heavily from the shop to the farm. Sometimes you would have a whole farm meal.
Actually, when times got tough,
yes,
you had to do away with anything processed.
Anything viable by money. You actually used to deal with uprooted things like potatoes,
mareges,
cassava,
kahurura,
maize during season, and wild fruit. Fruit salad ni othie motitu. Wangana na thoni mero ni meiguaine.
Na dare.
Yes. Those are the ones I'm saying. You would tell there is austerity measure.
Yes. And very tough ones.
Oko na thoguo ri. Tonu watu mitongiri. We ordinary agucagia chabeki.
Champion.
No, ni ajia kunyua thigara ici citandĩkĩtwo upande hunju.
This side up.
Yandu yamenya wa mwena ũrĩa batie kũrora na rĩtwa. Rĩrĩ hũre mwena. Rĩu rĩtwa rĩrĩ Muka notice he has a bigger cloud. Hana mutha. Whatever he is smoking has heavy smoke. And he's coughing like an old train.
Kabenya hiyo sio ya duka.
Yes. Amuka iwa akiari uguo na his peers. Ni aragweta cigota gutiri ndogo ngarange.
na riria kwagia tu kiundu maybe nearby na ringi ni mundu wa ni agikembaga a neighbor akorwo ena undu kwi mucema he would overindulge
in the imagination that he will still be in the state tomorrow and he would come home a wreck. Manu maida mwana mwana hawa uwa sapotito ni adhuri eri mwena na mwena looking frail
nego keria
One daddy, you used to prepare yourself for tough times
ahead.
Yes.
Na mena hinya no abagia kuhura mathabu more ungiamba guthamira gwa tata guo.
Yes. At least we had the burden
of sahani,
the meager resources.
Ela ijaja na foto wadi.